find the limit as x approaches 8 from the left. You're given a piecewise function. If we're going from the left, we have to correctly choose either the top version or the bottom version. Since we're talking about the left, we want the numbers that are less than or equal to 8. We're going to plug into the bottom. That's 1/4 of 8, add 1. 1/4 of 8 is 2. 2 and 1 makes 3. So the limit as x approaches 8 from the left is 3. So naturally you're wondering, well, what if we were looking at the limit as x approaches 8 from the right? If we are looking from the right, we're talking about the top version, where the numbers are bigger than 8. So we'll plug into the top. And 12 take away 8, well, that's just 4. So the limit as x approaches 8 from the right is 4. Recall that the limit as x approaches 8 from the left is 3. So if you're asked, what about the limit as x approaches 8? In that case, we say that the limit does not exist, because the limit as x approaches 8 from the left does not equal the limit as x approaches 8 from the right. From the left, we got a limit of 3, and that's not the same as what we got from the right. So that limit overall, as x approaches 8, does not exist.